AI voices are getting scary real. But between OpenAI's TTS and ElevenLabs, which one actually sounds more human in 2025? Both are top players in text to speech. OpenAI's TTS is built right into their ecosystem, while ElevenLabs focuses 100% on voice realism. OpenAI TTS delivers clear, consistent speech perfect for apps or assistant where speed and reliability matter. ElevenLabs, on the other hand, pushes nuance. You hear breaths, pacing, even emotions like excitement or calmness. It's those subtle details that make it sound less robotic and more like a real person reading your script. OpenAI's TTS is great if you're already in their platform and need functional voices at scale. ElevenLabs is better when quality and natural delivery actually impact your brand, like YouTube, podcasts, or customer facing content. So both sound good. But if you're chasing that truly human like voice experience, ElevenLabs still has the edge. I'll leave a link to ElevenLabs below so you can test it yourself.